Tēnā rā tata katoa e te iwi kai konei te tehi o ngā tino mātanga i roto i te aoha kina. Tēnā, whakamohio atu ki te iwi ko wai koe no whiako.
Kia ora whānau, ko Kūkara Toku Ingoa, he uri a hau nā Ngāti Koro ki Kahukura, Maunga Tautari.
Hea te kaupapa matua ki konei?
Hei whakapakari tinana, tēnei wahanga, it's all about CrossFit. First time ever, bring it to the Koroneihana, and getting our kids involved, exposing them to different forms of fitness, and yeah, this is all about today.
And what are your thoughts on the rangatahi getting really involved with this kaupapa?
It's been awesome. It's been the best ever, watching these kids doing this. You know, for adults, this is our thing we like to do now, and we're trying to encourage it into our tamariki, just to improve overall health and fitness. You know, this is new. That's a new sport, not just your rugby league and your basketball. This is something a little bit different that other kids might attend to.
And overall, what are your thoughts on the Koroneihana that's going on this weekend?
Yeah, ka pai. As always, it's really good kaupapa. You know, all brings the iwi all together, as always. So, yeah, I haven't been over to the marae and the kapahaka yet, but hopefully I can get over there soon.
Ko wai koe, no whia koe?
My name is Anne and I'm from Mirupara.
Oh, rawe. And what are your thoughts on the Koroneihana that's happening this weekend?
This is actually my very first time to come in and experience it from the very start. My niece is training to be a kaiauka with the wānanga here in Kirikiriroa. And so they've brought their tauira out here for the first time to experience what happens here. And so I jumped on their waka and have absolutely enjoyed. Absolutely, thoroughly enjoyed it. And I've met a lot of people and caught up with a lot of people that I haven't seen. So for me, it's all about whanaungatanga, you know? And it's been wonderful. My moko has been able to just run around and roll around, you know, and he's just thoroughly enjoying himself as well.
The highlights from this weekend?
My eldest moko that's here today is doing CrossFit. He's had to take this month off because he's in the school productions. But when they talked about CrossFit and their age group coming through and just showing what they have available at CrossFit, I've seen the growth in my moko where he's learnt about team and not just me. And watching him encourage his teammates and jumping in when the other one is a bit, you know, he's a bit tired in that, and my moko just jumping in, but the encouragement, and my moko is well known for not, but loving it, absolutely loving it. I think for me the best thing is the growth in my moko.